All right, we are here at Lum's having some Texas barbecue. Check it out. You excited, Mabel? Got some Texas barbecue.
Jalapeno.
One of them's jalapeno. That one's regular.
That's some brisket.
This one's regular.
That's a big root beer. We get to keep that cup. So we put our longest drive day in yet, miles wise, 420 miles across Texas. Made it just in time for piano, and now we're hanging out at this river. It's the Yano River. And we got our site set up, we're doing lessons, gonna have some barbecue tonight. And it might thunderstorm tomorrow, so all things Texas are happening.
Yeah, and so does Mom. Dad's plate. There's a bunch of green beans.
I like your fork.
What?
I like your fork.
Thank you.
Mama's back here. I'm back here.
Mama,
What'd you find?
look up trees.
Yeah. We are stopped here in Fredericksburg.
Just outside of Fredericksburg.
We are stopped here and eating lunch. We just explored the most magical flower farm ever. And we haven't been to Mansfield, Missouri yet. But this Wildseed Flower Company is amazing. As an avid wildflower connoisseur who wants to live in a flower field, what did you think of this place?
It was so cool.
Was it your wildflower dreams come alive?
I touched it.
Like when there's fence around them, like I'm not gonna be able to go with them. No. And then then we got to it, and you could like
fly.
sit in them. It was so amazing.
So, found this awesome campsite at Emma Long Metro Park in Austin. Kids backed up right to the water. Because of COVID, there's no one here to check in. So we pulled up to a site that says available, but it turns out that supposedly it's reserved online. So it's kind of a bummer, but we learned that we should always reserve online, and because now we're gonna move and we gotta drive an hour. Even though we're in Austin, the other campground's an hour away. So we're gonna pack up and go find another awesome campsite.
But I might want to come back to this one someday. This is Emma Long Park in Austin. And it's pretty awesome. What's it called? Metro Park?
Emma Long Metro Park.
Wow. Hello, Malia. Hello. What are you singing? The color blue? Kenzie's wearing the color green. Okay.
Did you just growl at you, Kenzie?
Yeah. She's not giving me love. Come back. No. Go show Kenzie your hat and your curls. Go on. Show her how cute your hat is and your curls. Hey. Hey.
Cheese.
Bye, I guess. Wow, your hair is so curly. Bye-bye.
What is it?
It's a fire. It's lighting up. Oh my god.
What did you guys just see?
Oh my god. So cool. It's a firefly.
Have you ever seen a firefly before?
Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Madison, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make boba. So you're going to need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/3 cup of water, and a cup of tapioca flour or tapioca starch.
So, on this edition of Playground Hunters, they called this a playground, but it's really just a swing set. But awesome first night in Texas. We got a lot of things that Texas has. Thunderstorms, fireflies, and then we woke up and it was the same temperature as it was when we went to sleep. It's been amazing.
Guess what?
What?
We saw 8 fireflies.
That's true. Where are we? We're at McKinney Falls State Park, and this is a wood vending machine. Never seen this before.
Money,
I don't have any money. Well, let's see what this is.
your card.
Wow.
Amelia Bedelia went into the store.
So we made it to Austin. We had a bit of a challenge finding the site because I forgot to call again. That thing where you prepare.
I don't know, we planned on not always having a spot, but what we're learning now is that it's because it is the end of April, May.
It's camping season.
I think it's getting to be camping season, and so we're having to plan a little bit farther ahead.
Yeah.
Especially with beautiful parks like these.
So we're at McKinney Falls State Park, and it is just lush and green. Hiking trails all around. The whole campground is really cool.
There's a lot of really pretty options. I really like Austin.
Austin's cool.
I like it here. I like that it's wet. We've had some storms. We had some crazy
There's a lot of
thunderstorms
thunder
last night. Thunder and lightning. And usually I don't like lightning. Usually it really creeps me out. But I felt like with all the tree cover and with all of the I don't know, trees? Is that
Yeah,
protect you
tree
from
color.
lightning?
Yep. And the trailer.
In the trailer, I felt a little safer. It was loud though. I think I woke up once in the middle of the night and it was shaking. The trailer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like it was
crazy.
I thought somebody had slammed a door or something. It was like like
Rumbling.
So anyway, we're gonna go for a hike today. We're gonna go see some waterfalls. We are gonna spend one more night here, and then we're going to go on down to Houston. It looks like there's gonna be rain and lightning storms for the next few days.
So we're just gonna kind of roll with the storms a little bit. Still following a little bit of weather. At least it's not snow.
What do you have there? Roly polies. Kenzie, how do you feel about going for a walk in the rain?
Cold.
Come on, tell me the truth. How do you really feel about it?
Oh, snail.
Do you want to go for a walk in the rain?
No.
I'm gonna go. I want slime on me.
He's pooping.
Can you sing a song? I don't perform yet. What do you think, guys?
The rain's gonna stop. I love the rain. Don't stop the rain. Look, there's a cave. How do we get down there? We can sit in the cave.
There's turtles?
So this is McKinney Falls State Park. This is the upper falls. It's so cool. It's like a perfect little hangout spot. It's raining a little bit today, but I can imagine this being an awesome swimming hole. And it's literally like less than half a mile from the campsites. It's perfect.
I love their like curly roots. I'll have to look at what these are. Really cool trees. Look, they're like feathery. This place is cool.
There's right there.
Look at him.
No.
But once he gave me pride.
So guys, it's raining. It doesn't matter. Eat some
We
pasta.
still got a table.
How's your lunch?
Made boba.
Boba.
Oh yes, we made boba.
It's very good.
Some pretty epic boba. If you haven't had boba, it's the fad. It's the thing to do these days.
That and Dutch Bros.
Ready, guys?
This is where my seat is. But I do have,
Sponsored by
I do have
Dutch
coffee.
Cheers. Cheers to boba.
It's been a great day so far. Hike,
Zing.
change sites really easily. I made friends with the site cleaner dude, and he was like,
Some people might say that that's not a great day. You know, moving sites in rain.
yeah, that might be some people's opinion.
Wait, guys.
But I thought it was fantastic.
You're such a glass half full person.